Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to the channel Twinkling Stars Astro. Today, you all must be seeing a different setup. Uh, Archangels are at my house for 5 days. I'm hosting the angels. So I just, was having a feeling to give away the readings for the coming month, sitting over here in this blessed environment. Okay, so welcome back. Welcome back. So today we're going to begin with a kind of a remedy which I'm going to tell you all for removal of an evil eye from yourself, from the house, and you can perform this. So this is something, this is a clove, okay, this is a clove, and I'm keeping it over the a piece which is already burning. Alright, and then you can add somewhat of bay leaves. Okay, so I'm adding here a little bit of bay leaves. Then I have this sage over here, so I can just add some amount of sage as well. This will give you the smoke, and this smoke will purify your house. You can just let the smoke be around in your house all around. And this is benzoin, okay. Most of the people know it as lubhan also. Alright, so this is also used for increasing the concentration. So if your children or even yourself, if you're studying, just burn the benzoin and have the smoke of benzoin around where you're studying on your study table, and see the increase in the concentration. This also helps in removing the negative energies from the house and clearing the negative energies and removal of an evil eye and n number of things. The fragrance itself is so aromatic that so let's let it burn now. So this smoke today, so let's just, the smoke goes on the angels at my back to Kahanaji. Okay, and let the smoke burn over here, and then we'll begin with our reading. Okay, so this is for my lovely Aquarians. So let's see what is coming month. That is the month of November. Sorry, I'm really sorry. The month of October. I don't know why this November came to me. Is holding for my lovely Aquarians. Last month for the Aquarians was little heavy, and I'm drawn towards the Aquarian for some personal reasons as well. So most of the times I'll be taking the first sign as Aquarius, also the air sign. Okay, in this Virgo season. So let's see that what is there for the Aquarius in the month of October. So if you're already a subscriber, welcome back once again, and if you have yet not subscribed, please subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and comment, because your comments are the medium for me to know that whether my readings are resonating with you or not, or you want some changes, or you want some other readings also to be posted. So please do comment and share, so that more and more people got to know about these readings and got to know about their zodiac signs as well. Okay, so I'm open for the personal readings as well, and I teach also the tarot cards, the angel communication, numerology. So the entire description is there in the description box down below. You can contact me for the personal readings as well. Okay, so now let's see what do we have for our beautiful Aquarians. Lots of hard work, Aquarians. Last month also there was lots of hard work, but I was able to see. Okay, and there's one more card. Oh, so let's begin and see what do we have. Okay, again, Aquarians have divided the month into the 3 sections: the first 10 days, the mid 10 days, and the last 10 days. That makes 30 and 30 days. So, okay. So, let's see how would be first half would be. What messages do we have for Aquarians? What messages do we have for Aquarians? Okay, one more card, please. What messages do we have for my Aquarians? So let's have this. Okay. Alright. Still a challenging month ahead, Aquarians. Still a challenging month ahead of you. Still a challenging month ahead. Too many cards. Too many cards. Okay, let's take this. Okay, Aquarians. Just blow this a bit. Burn properly. Aquarius, what I'm feeling is this, that you're burdened, you're so much of burdened, you're taking the burden of, various things in the life unnecessarily, which is not even required. Just see this, 10 of Wands card. Look at this man who is just, head down and holding this 10 wands and just moving, pushing them. So, why? Why are you taking the load? Why are you taking the baggage of the other people's work? Why? It's not required. It's not at all required. Others' mistakes is what their job, not your job to, carry them all and, move towards. This is something related to your past as well. Might be something has happened that you're not able to leave the past behind. Whatever negative has happened in the past, just leave it behind, Aquarius. You need not to carry it ahead, because if you're carrying it ahead, you'll not be able to embrace the present. And if you're not embracing the present, then of course you cannot have a sight for the coming future. You'll remain tired, you'll remain clumsy, you'll remain heavy-headed as well, because this is neither the mental peace nor the emotional peace. Alright, so please just leave the baggage behind and go for a new beginning. Everything is fine. It's just that you have just collected the all, maybe your professional front, your personal front, and it's just moving it like taking all. You need to release it, Aquarius. You need to release it. No need to take the baggage of the past or of the other people at your own head. It's okay. Just leave them. Coming to the mid of the month, this card, 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands. This is clearly telling me that you're ready for the challenges. You're ready, you're regenerated, you are all the same back again like the way you were before. The air sign always, ready. Till the time the air is calm, it's calm. But once it comes to the whirlpool, it just destroys all. So you're all guarded up. You're ready to face the challenge. You're ready to, to answer the people who are coming across to your path and stopping you to do something which you really want to do from the heart. It could be at professional front. It could be your, personal front as well. So you would be, facing the challenges in the middle of the month, but then you'll be victorious because you're all ready. You're mentally ready, you're physically ready, you're emotionally ready. Okay, so yeah. But then, some challenges would be coming. Maybe people, criticizing you, or probably not giving you the way for whatever you want. But at the end of the month, Aquarius, with this Knight of Pentacles, you will move out of the situation and be victorious. though it will be little slow situation, the things will move out slow, but then look at this pentacle, this knight is golden. Look at this pentacle, this knight is golden. From this fast energy you will be calmed, and then you will be even getting ahead with something in your hand. I could see a proposal for somebody, maybe. This pentacle is termed as a ring also at times, but the energies are little slow over here. Energies are little slow, they are little stagnant, but then I'm seeing you coming out of the challenging position and getting ahead. Okay, so let me see what are the challenges. What are the challenges you will be coming across? Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let me, okay, let's go this way. Let me just have a final outcome as well. What is the final? I'm so sorry. Drop off the cards. I'm seeing a marriage over here, Lots of cards of marriage, commitments I'm getting over here. Okay, let's see this. This aura is so peaceful of the angels. I'm having a reading over here, just wow. Okay. See what I told you. I just said a marriage, a soulmate coming across, or maybe probably union with the soulmate, the final outcome what I'm getting over here. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, Aquarius. Let me have the final outcome. What is the final outcome? Then I'll come to you that, what is there. The final outcome for me. Okay, let's take this. Okay. Right. I want to have one more card. Oh, beautiful. So let's do this way. Let me keep the just get over here. Let me keep the deck. Yeah. So now, okay. So talking about your challenges over here, Aquarius. Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords. Now, here is a two-way situation what I'm getting over here. Is that this Queen of Swords can represent your mother, alright, and or some female figure in your life which is creating an impact on your life and hence forcing you to decide something. Because when we talk about Queen of Swords, she is a lady, that who's very intelligent indeed, but then ready for the action always. She is the lady who is ready to cut which is not required by her, and she is somebody on her one voice or on one instruction, things will be done like this. Okay, though I'm not having a positive vibe with this Queen of Swords ever, alright. So here also maybe your mother, alright, will become a hurdle for you. Will become a hurdle for you in something which you want to do, but then she is all upright with her sword that dare if you do it. Dare if you do it. That's what a clear thing I'm feeling over here. But to the rescue to this situation, I have this beautiful Ace of Cups. Now this Ace of Cups over this Queen of Swords indicating me that you can win her by your pure love, Just with the love you have for her, talk to her, convince her, make her understand the situation you are into, and this cup is overflowing. That means the overwhelmness you have for your mother or for this lady figure who's trying to misunderstand you or probably intervening in your process. All right, the love is the only thing which is making her, which can make her understand the situation. Okay, and with this Ace of Cups, I'm getting one more thing, that is the arrival of a love. Lots of love in the situation in the month of October. Okay, to the final outcome. What did I say? What did I say was the Four of Wands. A union, a celebration, something which you're waiting for since long and coming across. This is a twin flame, this is a soulmate connection card, and what I'm feeling is that you are going to have a celebration in the month of October at your house. If not a celebration, then a very, very good news would be really coming across. Something that is decided by the divine, by this 7 star. The balance will be restored, and this 7 stars represents your 7 chakras also. So please do the chakra meditation so that you can rebalance yourself. You can create that balance again and to streamline your chakras. Okay, and this is a divine calling. This is a simple divine calling over here, what I'm seeing. So it's a very beautiful ending. It's a very beautiful ending I am getting over here. But with this 3 extra cards I just drew, because I don't know what happened to me. I took out the final outcome, then again I took one more card. That okay, thinking that I am not taking the final outcome. I don't know what these angels are asking me to do. Maybe wanted to tell me an extra, solution or probably the situation coming across. I have this 2 of Swords. Okay, over to 2 of Wands. Over to the Fool. Okay, now this 2 of Wands, 2 of Swords over here, which is this card, is telling me that you're not able to decide something. You wanted to decide, but then you are not able to decide apparently that what is the situation. What is the situation that you would be coming across, or probably there's a decision at your end which you need to decide about, but then you're not able to, but you're not able to to decide that how to do it, what decision to take, and you have become blindfolded. To the rescue to it, with this 2 of Wands, you're deciding, you're just introspecting everything. Most of the Aquarians might be in the introspection mode, that what I really want. Do I really want this globe in my hand? Alright, or this sea in front of me? This involves traveling also. Might be most of the Aquarians would be traveling in the month of October, to get this solution, or probably to decide, to get this introspection end. At the bottom of the deck, I have this Hermit card. Hermit, this actually means withdrawal from everything. Withdrawal of everything from everything, in a thinking position, to think and then decide that this is right and this is wrong. Alright, probably this is the 2 of Wands here means the success as well, that for whatever you're going to decide, you will be success into it. Alright, your ship will come in, and with this Fool in the end of the reading is a clear message to you from the universe and from the angels, that it will be a new beginning. Might be a bit risky, alright, but then without risk there's no charm as well. Alright, so this is the month for you. And see, with this Hermit card, I again have the Ace of Wands. 2 aces in a reading. See, 2 aces. I should go like this. 2 aces. That means victory. That means victory. Clear victory to you, Aquarian. So it's okay. Leave the past baggage, as I told you. Alright, and just get ready. Show yourself what you really are. Show that ferocious air you are. Show that when you get angry, or when you want something, you can turn the universe around 360 in your favor and make the things done. Okay, so let's see what do we have from the oracles to you. And this is burning so beautiful. Alright, Aquarians. So let's see what do we have for my beautiful Aquarians. What messages do my Aquarians need to hear? What messages do my Aquarians need to hear? What Aquarians? Too many cards. Aquarians, as I told you that archangels are there at my house. I'm hosting them. They are my guests for the 5 days. So whosoever is watching the video, you can pray by sitting over there, seeing over here at my altar, and your praise will reach here, and angels will fulfill them, manifest them. So just have believe in miracles and pray. What do my Aquarians wants to hear? Tell me. Come on. What do Aquarians wants to hear? Okay, let's take out. The energy is gaining momentum. See what I told you. You need to leave the past baggage, and then your energy will be back again. The way you are. Smart, bold, courageous, and appealing. And I find Aquarius men little attractive. So get back to the shape again and see things changing for you. Okay? Oh my God, this is really a miracle. See, angels are giving you so clear answers. Aquarians, you can't believe. Alright, so let me show you something. Let's start from this. You're very close of achieving your goal. You're on the cliff, Aquarians. Don't give up. A clear message from the universe, don't give up. A powerful change is near. Something very powerful, something very miraculously is going to happen with you. Alright, so expect a miracle for you in the month of August, and that miracle would be on your personal life regarding to your partner. If you're already dating somebody or in a commitment with somebody, that will take a shape of a marriage or a commitment or a official announcement of it, that is for sure, because here it's a new romantic cycle begins. Because with this Mars retrograde going around and with this disturbed planets, there are many things in the life which is going upside and down. But the recent movement of Rahu and Ketu has changed the things for the better. Okay, so just wait and take time to breathe out. You're already in a withdrawal condition, which is actually needed. The introspection was well needed for you, so that you can really decide what you really want in that time. And your dreams, have faith in your dreams. For whatever you have dreamt will come across to you. And how will come across to you? With communication is the key. With communication is your only key. So Aquarians, this is a very loud and clear message from the angels, from my altar to you all, that please leave the baggage of the past first of all. That is very much required, because until unless you will not leave the baggage of the past, you won't be able to move ahead. And moving it ahead, obviously, when you leave the baggage, people will intervene. That's okay. Facing challenges and being bold is your aura, is what you're made for. Okay, and then get this love in your life which you really needed, because this is divinely guided. This is your divine love. This is the spiritual connection for you. Alright, so don't let this go. I would only say don't let this go. Okay, so if this reading resonated to you, don't forget to comment. It would be an immense pleasure to read your comments and to see whether it's resonating with you or not. And then keep praying, seeing the altars, because archangels are listening to you all. And just believe in miracles, because when it's angels, the angelic world is very beautiful. Alright, so see you next month. Hopefully coming with some more new readings. Alright, till then, stay safe, stay home, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.